welcome to Chef Daniel's Kitchen. Today we will be making potato pancakes. Wait, we already did that. No, we made mashed potatoes, which we will be using today. Oops, my bad. Stop it, and please just wanted you to be correct. I'm not familiar with the sensation of being incorrect. Anyways, fine, do you mind? Sorry for the little side conversation with myself. Where were we? Yes, so today we will be making potato pancakes with using the recipe for mashed potatoes from episode 1. So today, as I said, you will need mashed potatoes, half a cup per person, an egg per person, cooking spray, spatula, frying pan, a plate, and some salt. Let's get to it. So now I'm making the taking the mashed potatoes and turning them into the pancakes that we're making. I wouldn't recommend it having the mashed potatoes really flat, because you won't be able to turn them when you do that. And then just kind of pat them down so it's the size about of this. So again, we're doing it again. We're gonna take this over to the stove, and we're gonna start frying them. We're making them into the potato pancakes. Let me get my pancakes. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the pan. Take the potato pancake. Doesn't matter. In fact, it doesn't really matter how nice the pancake looks. It doesn't. You can just put it on, and it makes it look even cooler when it's different sizes. Or different shapes. Yeah. Okay, and now we are going to just wait until they are fried. Let's not forget to flip them, because it will burn it on one side and then the pancake will not taste good. So once you see that, or feel even underneath that it's getting crispy, then I would turn it over. And once you hear that sizzling sound also, it's a sign of turning it over. Oops. I think this is gonna turn out good. Okay, well. Make sure you put enough oil. If you just gave it 2 sprays, then I would give it a little more. It's fine if it gets over the tops, because we're gonna flip it anyways. Now, I think it's ready. It's done. Okay, I'm gonna flip this one right here. Careful with the oil, it tends to jump. I would actually have 2 spoons, just to make sure. See how it's starting to get crispy on the top? Now I'm flipping the next one. Now we just wait for the other side to fry up. It should be fairly quick because the oven is hot. And again, make sure you have a parent if this is your first time cooking. Now we just put them on the plate. Probably the other side is pretty good, I think. Okay, now our potatoes are ready. It's time to move on to the egg section. So we're gonna take this and take it over to the stove. When it's time to turn it over, you will see that the sides are crispy. I can see that they're pretty crispy now. And then this is the hardest part, flipping them over. So you just take your spatula, and then you put it all the way under the egg, and then oops, not so good. That's not my best time. And then we just grab it like this, and then we flip it over. It's flipping off. Sometimes you need something to help you flip it over. See, this is why cooking, you shouldn't get. I used to get super upset at myself if I could not do this, but now you just grab it and flip it. Uh-oh. See? It spilled. The goal is to not have the yolk spill. And then we're going to do the second one, which this one I hope will be a bit better. And then I personally think it's better to just not slam it like I just did, but let's just carefully see. Then now it's not spilling. This one's not spilling, but the other one was. Now we're gonna take one egg and then put it on there, and then we're gonna take the other egg, do the same thing, put it on one. This one's for my dad because it's nice and solid and he's not like running it. Now, you may want to add some salt and pepper on it to finish it off, and you're done. Bon appetit!